Sa video natin today, I'm gonna show you kung paano gawing complete content hub ang Kajabi account mo. Diyan mo na pwedeng i-manage lahat, ang blog mo, courses, emails, lahat sa isang lugar lang. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley Robots at kung coach ka, chances are you've got content all over the place. Emails on one platform, a course on another, blog posts, maybe on WordPress or nowhere at all. Kajabi gives you a way to bring it all together para magmukha kang lalong professional, organized, at may isang place ang audience mo para makipag-connect sa'yo at sa mga offers mo. I-walk through ko kayo how to do this step by step. Bago tayo mag-start, ano ba ang Kajabi? Ang Kajabi ay isang all-in-one platform para sa mga creators, coaches, at business owners na gusto magbenta ng digital products, mag-host ng online programs, and grow their brand all without needing 5 different tools. Pwede ka mag-build ng website, i-host ang courses mo, magsulat ng blog post, gumawa ng email sequences, mag-collect ng payments at pwede mo pa i-automate yung back-end ng business mo. It's so powerful. Today, magpo-focus tayo using Kajabi bilang content hub, meaning one central na lugar kung saan pwedeng basahin ng audience mo ang posts mo, mag-sign up sa email list mo at ma-access ang paid or free programs. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin what makes Kajabi a good choice if you want everything under one roof. Una, ginawa ito para mag-work as one ecosystem. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-connect yung blog mo, email, site at products mo sa isa't isa. Kapag nag-sign up ka sa freebie mo, you can instantly add them to a course, a tag, at automation. No extra tools or integrations na kailangan. Second, simple but clean and blog feature. Hindi ka ma-overwhelm sa dami ng options. You can publish recipes, how-to articles, or personal updates quickly and easily. Third, isa sa pinakamadaling gamitin ang course builder ng Kajabi. Pwede ka mag-upload ng videos, PDFs, o voice memos and organize them into lessons and modules. And finally, yung email marketing tool sa Kajabi. Pwede ka gumawa ng broadcast emails o full automation flows mismo sa platform where nakikipag-interact na ang audience mo sa content mo. Perfecto para sa mga may solo o maliit na team lang and who want to spend more time helping people and less time switching tabs. Okay, let's get into the walkthrough. Kung hindi ka pamilyar sa Kajabi o hindi mo pa nagamit to before, siguraduhin gamitin mo yung exclusive link namin sa baba para makasunod ka ng sabay. Pag-click mo ng link, madadala ka sa page na to at gamit yung link na to, pwede ka makakuha ng 30-day free trial. And then as you can see, we'll go over the pricing a little bit later on. But just so you're aware, may 30-day free trial ka muna. Whatever plan you select, doon na magpapatuloy pagkatapos. Pwede ka mag-continue gamit ang Google o email address mo. I-type mo lang yung email mo, then click continue. Then, ilalagay mo lahat ng info mo. First, sa last name, tapos gumawa ka ng password. Make sure na ready yung email mo kasi kailangan mo tong i-confirm. Pag nagawa mo na yung password at na-confirm na ang email, it's gonna ask a couple questions here. So, which products are you interested in building? Courses, coaching, digital downloads, or newsletter? Are you or do you currently run an online business? Yes, full-time. Skip natin yon. Gamitin natin ng health and fitness bilang example. Isa pang creator. Tapos, i-click mo lang ang continue. Okay, ngayon tungkol sa audience mo. Gagawa tayo from scratch. Ilan followers mo? Continue. Yan, skip muna natin yan. For now, tapos ilagay mo na lang yung address mo at i-click ang continue. Ayan, okay. Dito naman makikita nyo yung dashboard natin. So, they actually do have a kind of quick start guide. We're not gonna go into that. Kung gusto mo naman i-follow yon, pwedeng-pwede rin. But we've got a dashboard right here. Makikita mo rin dito yung revenue balance mo pag na-connect mo na lahat. And then updates and just other things like that. Dito rin makikita lahat ng products mo. Coaching, courses, community, podcast, newsletters, and downloads. And then we've got sales. Dito makikita lahat ng payments mo. Offers mo, cards at iba pa. Tapos ito naman yung website mo. Dito ka magde-design ng website. Meron din silang branded app that you can do as well. And then marketing. Dito yung email campaigns mo, lahat ng contact leads, at meron din silang analytics. So just an example today, we're gonna be going with the health coach business. So let's just say you want a blog to share wellness tips, isang free guide para lumaki yung list mo, at isang beginner course tungkol sa nervous system regulation. So here's how we're gonna build that out in Kajabi. Pag na-connect mo na lahat like payments at iba pa, ang una nating gagawin ay i-set up yung website. Para mag-set up ng website mo, we're gonna go ahead and here, we're gonna go to design, we'll pick a template. Ang lagi kong sinasabi is find a template na hindi kailangan masyadong maganda pero may function to na maayos. Kasi madali lang baguhin yung colors and font. What's more challenging is changing how it works on the back end. So maybe we like this one. Okay, cute. Does this have a blog? Yep. Sige, gamitin natin to. Perfect. Now, pwede mo nang i-check yung site details. Pwede mong i-add yung logo, colors, at iba pa. Ngayon, click natin tong customize. Dito pwede mong i-edit lahat ng super dali. Parang aware ka lang, pwede mong i-drag and drop lahat, pero makikita mo rin dito yung iba't ibang blocks. So, ito yung hero block mo, yung newsletter opt-in. Kailangan natin gumawa ng form para makuha yung emails. Tapos, meron din tayong podcast. Pwede ka agad makinig at link diretso doon. Meron din bio, offers, video, at images. Okay, simulan natin sa paggawa ng form kasi dito mo naman i-edit lahat para mag-match sa brand mo. Vibe mo, aesthetic, words, etc. Kailangan natin gumawa ng form. Okay, cool. Weekly lesson, motivation, and self-care ideas na i-deliver sa inbox mo. Okay, ayos. Sign me up. Now, you can see this button. Okay, so naset up na natin yung form kaya pwede mo nang kolektahin yung email address nila. Naset up mo na rin yung website mo. I-save na natin to tapos punta tayo sa blog. Para sa blog, what we're gonna do first is go down here to blog. Click natin yung get started. Okay. Pwede ka mag-add ng page description at maglagay ng photo. Pero dito ka na lang gagawa ng lahat ng blog post mo. Okay, so cool. Then, we'll go ahead and add our title. Pagtapos, ilalagay natin yung content. Pwede rin tayong mag-set ng URL. Example, 5 simple shifts sa page title. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng description kung gusto mo at maglagay ng photo. Tapos, isave natin to. Dito ka lagi gagawa ng blogs mo. Ngayon, let's go to our website. So, punta tayo sa blog post, 5 simple shifts. I-click natin yung publish. Pwede mo rin i-schedule dito kung gusto mo. Now, let's go to website pages. We'll go to the blog. Cool. Now, makikita na natin na automatic na siyang na-populate dito. Makikita mo yung title, when it was created, and a little description, and then continue reading. Kahit na gusto nating i-preview to, of course, we'll go ahead and change all of this. I-click mo lang yung continue reading. Makikita mo na yung buong article. At dito sa baba, nakasulat, subscribe for weekly life lessons. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng form dito para, again, call to action sa newsletter mo, diba? See how all of this is working together seamlessly. Now you know how to create a website, blog, at kolektahin yung email addresses. So, punta naman tayo sa email campaigns. Para gumawa ng bagong email campaign, i-click mo lang yung new email campaign and then you can either broadcast or create an email sequence. So, yung email broadcast is just one going out tulad ng weekly newsletter mo. Kung nagpapadala ka ng newsletter every Monday, that would be a broadcast once a week. Yung email sequence naman, pwede kang gumawa ng welcome sequence. Example, kapag may sign up sa lead magnet mo, automatic na mapapadala sa kanila. So maybe email 1 is about, welcome to the newsletter. This is what you can expect and here's your freebie. Next naman ay para i-introduce kung sino ka, bakit mo sinimulan to at yung journey mo. And then, email. Number 3, tungkol sa mission mo ng mas detailed. Tapos yung number 4 naman, pwede yung CTA sa coaching mo o sa course, something like that. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng email sequence, dito ka lang sa welcome sequence gumawa. Meron silang iba't ibang templates dito na pwedeng pagpilian o pwede ka rin gumawa from scratch. Maybe we just want a newsletter, kind of a little bit more blank. Create, cool. Ngayon, pwede mo nang ilagay yung day 1, 11 a.m. This is welcome email 1. Then the subject could be welcome and your free gift and then you could add preview text. Dito sa loob, i-edit mo lang yung content. Pwede mong ilagay yung logo mo, edit all of the content in here, even add photos. If you want someone to read more and maybe, again, CTA sa blog post mo o sa podcast, whatever it may be, pwede mong gawin yon, okay? So, you know how to create emails. Alam mo na din paano gumawa ng website at mag-create ng blog mo. Kung gusto mo naman gumawa ng podcast o import lang, pwede rin. I've done this before, mga 30 minutes lang para ma-import lahat. O kaya, kung gusto mo gumawa from scratch, ilagay mo lang lahat ng podcast details mo. Kung public ba o private. It's really simple. Sundan mo lang yung instructions dito para gumawa ng bagong podcast. Tapos pag nagawa mo na, pwede mo na tong i-distribute sa lahat ng major listening apps at kahit i-monetize yung podcast mo all from this dashboard, which is really cool. Lastly, kung gusto mong gumawa ng course, you would just wanna come in here, health, add a description, cool. Next, pwede mong piliin yung colors, pwede mong i-match sa brand accent mo or white. Tapos maglagay ng thumbnail image. Then you'll add if it's gonna be free or paid. You do need to connect your Stripe or anything like that if you want to set up the version. Pero ngayon is creating. Minamap out nito kind of yung blueprint of what you could do. Obviously, kung gusto mo i-customize to be exactly what you want, dito mo makikita yung headings at sa ilalim naman yung iba't ibang modules. So as you can see, this is the Understand Your Body section tungkol sa basics ng human anatomy. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng video o audio at i-upload mo lang dito. And then this will be underneath it. Hindi kailangan ng video o audio lagi. Pwedeng vlog style lang natin pag natapos mo na lahat nito. ready ka na ng something na pwede mong ibenta. You can funnel it from your newsletter and do soft selling every single week at the bottom of your newsletter to promote and push people to this offer, right? Importante talaga na lahat ay cohesive, 'di ba? Yung newsletter mo, align sa ideal client mo, sa coaching mo rin, may ideal client ka. So everything really is wrapped into one place. Just makes everything so much easier, honestly. If you're serious about your brand and want a place where people can learn from you, read your thoughts, sign up for your list, and buy your programs, Kajabi is 100% worth it. Oo, medyo investment to, pero pinapalitan na nito yung iba't ibang tools at binibigyan ng brand mo ng polish, professional na feel from day one. You can stop duct taping your digital presence together and finally have a home for all of your content. I just really quickly wanted to show you the different plans and pricing options. Again, kung gusto mong i-check lahat ng plans and pricing, pwede mong gamitin yung link namin sa baba. Pagtapos na 30-day trial, yung Kickstarter plan ay $89 kada buwan plus taxes. With this, you get 0% transaction fees, unlimited landing pages, 7,500 marketing emails, 250 contacts, and more. Yung basic plan is $149 per month after 30-day trial. Lahat sa Kickstarter plan, but you get an unlimited marketing emails, 3 funnels, more contacts, and more active users. Yung growth plan naman, $199 kada buwan pagkatapos ng free trial, kasama lahat ng nasa basic plan, pero mas maraming funnels, contacts, and active customers. Ganun din sa pro plan. You get everything increased, but this is $399 per month after the 30-day free trial. Ang cool about sa Kajabi at yung pricing is you can grow with it, diba? You don't have to go all the way to the pro plan if you're just starting out. Pwede ka magsimula sa Kickstarter plan, tapos pag kailangan mo na, i-upgrade mo na lang over time. Paalala lang, yung link namin nagbibigay ng extended free trial. 30 days instead of a regular 14 days. If you want to check it out, that link is down below. Gusto ko lang i-mention na affiliate links to, which means we do earn a small commission and no extra cost to you if you choose our links. We just want to thank you so much in advance because it really helps support the channel and keeps us creating free content just like that. Alam ko kung gaano ka-overwhelming magsimula ng online business, lalo na kapag nakakaabala na yung tech sa creativity mo. But if you're a coach or content creator who just want to serve, teach, and grow, Kajabi gives you the tools without the chaos. Ang channel na to ay all about helping you find the smart and simple systems that grow with you even if you're just getting started. Huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments sa questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. Salamat ng marami and I'll see you in the next video.